If you don't like spending a fortune but still love adventures, then buckle up. Here are top travel hacks for you. First up, using flight comparison sites. Websites like Skyscanner and Google Flights compare prices across airlines, helping you snag the best deal. Trust me, a little research goes a long way. Next, book your flights in incognito mode. This prevents airlines from tracking your searches and hiking up prices. Just open a private browsing window and watch the magic happen. Now let's talk accommodations. Consider options like hostels, Airbnb, or even house swapping. Not only are they cheaper, but they often offer a more local experience. Win-win. Here's a pro tip. Sign up for airline newsletters. Airlines often send out exclusive deals and discounts to their subscribers. It's like having a secret key to hidden travel treasures. Another gold mine? Points and miles. Use credit card rewards, airline miles, and hotel points to cut down costs. It's like getting free money for your travels. And finally, stay flexible with your travel dates. Flying midweek or during off-peak seasons can save you a bundle. Be open to adjusting your schedule and your wallet will thank you. End with a call to action. Subscribe for more money-saving travel tips and get ready for your 2024 adventures. Happy travels!